Welcome! In today's video, I'll walk you through the updated steps on how to change your gender on Facebook. Whether you've recently updated your identity or just want to adjust how it appears on your profile, this quick guide will help you get it done effortlessly. Let's get right into it. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and head straight to your profile. This is where you can manage all your personal information, photos, and details. Once you're there, look for the option that says Edit Profile. Tap on it to open the editing menu. Now, scroll down until you find a section called Edit Your About Info. This is where Facebook keeps all the deeper details about your account that aren't immediately visible on your timeline. Once you've found it, tap on it to access your information settings. Next, you'll see several categories like Work, Education, Relationship Status, and more. Look for the one labeled Gender. Tap on it, and here's where you can make your update. You'll see options for male, female, and custom. If you choose the custom option, you can even specify your identity however you'd like, such as non-binary or another preference that best fits you. After selecting your new gender, you'll also notice an option to control who can see this information: public, friends, or only you. It's completely your choice, so pick the privacy level that makes you feel most comfortable. When you're all set, simply tap Save. Facebook will update your profile instantly, and your new gender information will reflect right away. Changing your gender on Facebook has never been easier. With just a few taps, you can make sure your profile truly represents you. Whether you're adjusting your identity or keeping things up to date, these simple steps help your Facebook space feel more personal and authentic. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone else who might need it. And if you're new here, be sure to follow for more quick tech tips to make your digital life smoother.